All right, this is part 2, guys. We are heading out for the walk. Brutus is ready. We came here to do a house visit, drop-in visit, and these are clients from across the street. Now Brutus is gonna bolt out the door, so I have to get in front of him. He is a strong dog, and he just don't know to be gentle. One time he knocked this thing over, and the pot broke. A different pot that was here broke. He's wild and crazy. I have to be ready. I have to have my good foot in. I don't know him with going out the door. It's a huge challenge. If you're not ready, he's gonna drag you down the street. Okay, not too bad this time. Look at, he's trying to chew the, hey, no, Brutus, no. He's trying to chew it up. It wasn't bad this time. If I had let him go first, he would have just bolted. Well, we are on our walk now. Brutus is in a rush. He wants to get there soon. Now, don't be surprised if we come across another dog or another person that Brutus starts to cry. He'll start to whimper and cry until he goes and meet the other dog or the other person come and pet him. He's like that. He wants to meet people all the time. And he'll sit there, he'll stop walking, he'll sit there and start to whimper until the other person comes up to us and let them sniff each other, the dogs, or the person pet him in the head, then he'll be happy. He only does that whenever he sees somebody. Right now, there's nobody here. So but on the trail, we might come across some people, and he's gonna want to stop and play with them. Brutus, come on. Yesterday, we saw a puppy Doberman, and Brutus played with the puppy. The puppy was a little scared of him because Brutus is like twice his size, but they played for a little bit. And Brutus did not want to leave. He wanted to continue to play with the puppy. Come on, Brutus, let's go. You guys can check out that video from yesterday. I uploaded it yesterday morning. I'll leave a link in the description below. Yeah, I don't think Brutus is neutered. When they just pee for a little bit and then move on. Pee for a little bit. They never empty out their bladder completely when they're not fixed. Yeah, when they're unneutered, they have that tendency to just pee for a little tiny bit at a time. They just every couple of feet, they just let out a little bit at a time. So if you're a runner and you wanna get a dog as a running partner, definitely want to get a dog that is neutered, because most of them tend to do that. Maybe they'll stop frequently. You're in the middle of your run, they're gonna stop. And then they're not gonna empty out their bladder in one shot. And even after they've completely emptied out their bladder, they're still gonna wanna stop. It's like nothing's coming out anymore. It's just a little drip. They're still gonna wanna stop. So if you are a runner and you're looking for a dog, get one that is neutered already, or get them neutered. I'm currently watching a bunch of dogs at home right now, and today's Sunday, you know, so most of them are leaving today. So it's a busy morning. After I'm done with him, I put him back in his house, then I'll just update the client and then head back to my house and then take care of the rest of the dogs there and get them prepared for their pickup. I'm currently watching an old English bulldog, a Malinois, Belgian Malinois, quite a few mutts. They're like mixed breeds. You can't really tell what they are. A Canaan, C-A-N-A-A-N, Canaan dog. They're from like the Middle East. That breed is from the Middle East. So she's a funny dog. Rosie. Her name is Rosie. She acts like she runs the house. And I'm watching like a pointer, like a mix, a Schnauzer pointer. I have a Schnauzer pug. He's getting picked up this morning, today. Yeah, we're watching quite a few dogs. If you guys catch us on our live stream, you'll see the house is usually crowded with dogs. And also I do portraits, dog portraits. We're watching a husky named Coda. He's one of our favorite dogs to watch. He's an awesome dog. So I do portraits. I'm an artist as well, because I have a lot of time in my hand, right? Once I'm done feeding them, you know, sometimes I have downtime, and not so much that I have downtime, I have to create that time for me to relieve some stress. I need leisure activities also. This may seem like it's a leisure activity, I'm walking, but it's really, after a while it gets cumbersome. Some dogs I walk, they pull like crazy, and it's not really like a stress reliever in a way. It's better than, for me, it's better than my old job, which I sat behind a desk most of the time. I used to work in IT. I did cybersecurity for the Navy for quite some time. And then because of my disabilities, I retired early. And now I'm just doing dog boarding to supplement my income. I do two-row and dog boarding. Yeah, after all, we do live in California. California is really, really expensive. Their retirement pay, pension is not gonna cut it. I would have to downgrade a lot. Yeah, one of the hardest things is to tell your kids, hey, we're gonna go, you guys gonna go back to sharing rooms. We're gonna go into a small apartment where we still paying arm and a leg for. So I just hustle harder. I do car rentals on 2-row, and I do dog boarding, and that makes up for my income. Yeah, so the VA and the federal retirement, that all helps out. But I enjoy watching dogs, you know, it's great. And then I do artwork on top of that, so I don't make any money off of the artwork. It's just for leisure activity. Like I said earlier, it's just to relieve stress. It helps me out. As I start, like, I can't think about my problems while I'm drawing, you know. It's like I'm focusing too much on the details that I forget about any type of stress that I was experiencing. And yeah, once in a while, you know, these dogs just snuggle up next to you. You pet them, and it helps with the stress, with the anxiety, and you know, I suffer from anxiety, depression, and all that. And this helps too. This line of job is way better than my last job. Don't get me wrong, I love IT, I love cybersecurity. Hi, doing all right? How are you?
I love those, man. Loves Bernese.
Oh yeah.
Hey, buddy.
All right, bye. Have a good run. Nah, he wants to run. Yeah, so I enjoy my job now. Doing, you know, I love being an entrepreneur. Then you could design your life pretty much. I love dogs, and I find a way to make money taking care of dogs. I also love cars, so it's like I'm collecting cars. I get to drive them when they're not being rented out. So big improvement in my quality of life. But this guy's ready to go back home. Are you ready? Yeah, and I like running too. But this guy could outrun me. All right. I'm just getting back into running. This is a hill too. Hey, look, I've ran 2 marathons, full marathons, so give me a break. I'm out of breath because I haven't run for a long time. Brutus, are you gonna train me? Brutus is like, come run with me every morning, I'll train you. All right, guys, so we're signing out right now. Please subscribe, support us, help us reach 100K. Share, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you. And if you want to see all the dogs that I'm watching, please check the link below in the description for our latest video of all the dogs that we are watching. All right, guys, later. Bye. Thanks for watching.